Subscribe to Style Files and hit the bell icon to get notified each time I put up a new video. Hi guys, it's Bijal here. Welcome to Style Files. So today's video is a giveaway video. Now I had promised you guys that I would be doing a giveaway for my birthday, but I couldn't do it at that time, so I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, I'm coming up with a giveaway today because I thought better late than never, right? So today's giveaway is an eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. This is the Makeup Revolution's Fortune Favors the Brave palette. I love this palette. I have been using this palette for over a year now. I love this palette because it has a variety of colors plus different variety of textures of eyeshadow. So it's basically the only palette I need. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it has all the shades given at the back. Now this is the one which I would be giving away, so I would show you my palette in detail. So this is the palette and I just love the packaging. It's a very nice golden packaging and it's quite sturdy, so it's very easy to travel with as well, and the size is also quite compact. And when you open this palette, you have this huge mirror. Like, it's a full-sized mirror and I really love it because this mirror is really nice quality, and whenever I'm traveling, this is the only thing that I carry, so I don't even need to carry a separate mirror because I just use this one to do all of my makeup. It comes with a dual-ended brush like this. This is not that bad like the palettes that you get in India, like the Maybelline palettes and all. Those applicators are completely useless, but this brush is in fact nice. Like, it's not the best, but yeah, you can definitely use it if you don't have anything else at the moment. So it has this flat side brush and this fluffy side brush, so you can use this to apply the eyeshadow on your lids and you can use this to blend it out. So yeah, I really like the brush. Like, not exactly like but yeah, it's decent. And now coming to the shades, so these are the shades. Just look how gorgeous they are. So we have some neutrals, some plums, some peaches and more neutrals, and the greens and blues. I really love this palette a lot because it is so versatile and you can create n number of looks with this. Now I have used this palette on my eyes today and I have created this nice soft plum smoky eyes. So what I've done is I've used these two shades in my crease to create a nice transition, and I have used this gorgeous plum color, which is a matte color, all over my lid, and I've created this nice soft smoky plum eyes. I really like the way it turned out. If you want to see a tutorial on this look, I would be very happy to do that as well, so let me know in the comment section and I would do that. But yeah, you can create n number of looks with this palette and I really love it. Now this palette has a mix of mattes, shimmers, satin eyeshadows, as well as these marble finish eyeshadows. I will swatch a few for you guys. So the shade which I use the most in my transition is this one. So this is the shade. It's a very nice taupey brown kind of shade, and another shade which I use the most is this one. So this is again a very nice peachy brown. So I use these shades for my transitions, and most of the time for my outer corners I use these dark matte shades. So one of them is this one. This is a brown matte, and today I have used this plum shade all over my lid. So just look how gorgeous these shades are, and they are very pigmented. Like, I will swatch this green shade for you. So as you can see, it's so beautiful and I really love it. Now I'll swatch a few of these marble finish shades for you. So this is the one which I use the most for highlighting and in my inner corners, and I also have this coppery brown shade which I really like. Then this marble finished gold which I really like, also this blue. So yeah, these are the shades, and I'm not swatching all the shades for you guys because then the video would be too long. This is just a giveaway video, but I'm so excited to show you this palette, hence I'm doing that. So yeah, this is the palette that I'm giving away, and yeah, it also comes with a transparent cover like this which has all the shade names written. so it goes right here. So now for the rules of the giveaway, it's very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and ask your friends, family members to subscribe to me and spread the love. And also what you have to do is comment down below and let me know what videos you would want me to do next, or anything that you would like to comment. I would be very happy to read that. And also like this video. That's it. That's all you have to do. I would be announcing the winners on 14th of Feb. So yeah, it will be Valentine's Day. That would be a good day to announce the winners. So yeah, the winners will be announced on 14th of Feb. So go ahead, participate. It's very simple. Ask your friends to participate as well. So with that, I come to an end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, participate in the giveaway, guys. This is a really nice palette and I am excited to give away this one to one of you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.